welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick little review on some more Soultanicals products. I know I've done at least one Soultanicals review video before, so if you haven't seen that, I'll try to link it or post it or whatever so you guys can check it out. So this one, I had some, these are like the last items that I have from Soultanicals. If you want to know how I feel about these Soultanicals products, then stay tuned. Alright, so the first one that I want to talk about, I'm just going to try to go in order of wash day, how I use it, things like that. So the first one is one of the detanglers. This is a slip and slide knot proof hair glide. And I think they have a total of maybe 3 different detanglers, and I believe I've tried all of them at this point. This was the last one that I have not tried. The first one that I tried was the knot sauce. I didn't like it. It didn't really work well for my hair for detangling. It did absolutely nothing for me. So, not purchasing that again. The second one that I tried was the Mango Dip Detangling Slip, which worked really well for my hair actually. I was very shocked and surprised that it worked really nicely, to the point, or to the extent that I actually bought the big salon size or liter size, whatever, like the big one. This puppy, I bought this size of the Mango Dip Detangling Slip because it works that well. It worked really well for my hair. So this was the last one that I tried, Slip and Slide Knot Proof. Now this one has slippery elm, okra, and cocoa butter. And let me read to you why I tried it. This says that this is a reinvention of the natural hair detangler, emphasized with slippery elm, okra, and mushroom gum for excellent comb through spreadability and extra softness. More, and this is in all caps, more slip and moisture than our beloved knot sauce and mango dip. The proof is in the slip galore. All caps, a whole bunch of exclamation points. No. It absolutely did not have more slip than the Mango Dip Detangling Slip to me. So at this point, the detanglers, the only one that worked for me was the Mango Dip. This was, and to show you how much slip it did not have, I went through this entire bottle. This is the 8-ounce bottle to try and detangle my hair in the shower. So therefore, it didn't give that much slip. It definitely did not give more slip than the Mango Dip for me and my hair. You know, I have different types of tangles. My hair tangles, mostly I get the tangles at the roots where it's really hard to kind of comb through. Like if it's wash day now, to try to put a comb at the root of my hair and try to comb through, this comb will go absolutely nowhere. It's much easier for me to detangle with the comb starting at the bottom, to, of course, working my way up, which is how you should detangle your hair anyway. But the roots is just really like where my tangles are just massive. And then other than that, my hair tangles in like a cross, like a web almost type way. I don't really get, you know, like single strand knots or anything like that. Like my tangles are always just like crossed, and it's just like a web almost. So it tangles so quick. Like I could detangle my hair in the shower, rinse it out, and then it's like back to, I just can't run my hands through it. Like that's just how my hair is. So my hair needs something with a whole lot of slip for me to detangle my hair. I'm looking at the ingredients. This one has marshmallow roots, so I would assume that this one will probably have more slip than this one, but it really didn't for me. It honestly didn't. Like this one, the Mango Dip Detangling Slip, it has mango butter and slippery elm. Of course, this one has slippery elm as well, but it does not have mango butter. This one has cocoa butter and okra. This was also really, really thin, which is not a bad thing, because if it has slip, that works just is fine. It doesn't mean anything, or it's not, you know, a bad thing. But as far as the detangling power of it, honestly, this one did not do it for me. It really didn't give me a whole lot of slip. It really didn't. So I am done trying the detanglers for Soultanicals, because mainly I've tried them all at this point, And the only one that worked for me is the Mango Dip Detangling Slip. So I am not trying the other two. The Knot Sauce did not work for me, and this one did not work for me. Only the Mango Dip. So, and maybe that just kind of depends on, you know, your hair, how it tangles. I don't know, but for whatever reason, the Mango Dip worked. The other two did not. So those are my thoughts on that one. All right, moving into the next item. This is the Fro Despair Vitamin Hair Repair. So this is one of like the deep conditioners. So this one has vitamins in it, of course. It's plant food mega dip detangler. Mega deep conditioner with biotin, folic acid, and mega greens. So this has, it says that it's infused with horsetail, rosemary and sage, biotin, spirulina, wheatgrass, barley grass, oatgrass, chlorella, and alfalfa, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Cetyl alcohol, organic olive oil, androba seed oil. I've never heard of that one. Broccoli seed oil, brown rice protein, vitamin B5, folic acid, vitamin E. Some other things in here, so I'm not saying all of them, but there's a good bit of them that I did go over. So this is supposed to aid in healthy hair growth and strength for the biotin part of it. The horsetail, rosemary, and sage says that it will improve scalp circulation and protect hair follicles from damage. So it says that it is loaded with hair loss preventing organic super green ingredients. And it's formulated to keep the hair follicles healthy by rejuvenating and repairing on a cellular level. So this product was really, really thin. I honestly went through a whole one of these also because I had two. So I finished one during my deep condition phase. It's really thin. I had to kind of shake it up because when I first put the pump in my hand, it was just kind of like water that almost came out. So I definitely had to like shake it up before I used it. It had a pleasant scent. It was a very, very light, gentle hint of a scent, almost kind of like spa-like. So I didn't mind the scent at all. It kind of, as far as the slip, it was so thin that it was easy to apply on my hair. So the application process was really great. When I got to the bottom of it though, I did have to take the top off and just kind of put it in my hand because the pump, I was pumping too many times and nothing was coming out. So I should just take the top off and pour it out my hand and pour it into my hand. But it gave some pretty good slip. The spreadability was really good. It wasn't, like I said, it's not a very thick deep conditioner at all. It's very thin. It's very like milky, you know, kind of consistency. And honestly, I was just kind of skeptical because y'all know a lot of these Soultanicals products do not work for my hair. So I was like, yeah, this is going to be a bust. But honestly, when I washed it out, and this is also one of the products where I don't know if you would notice an immediate result or difference, or something that you have to use over time to see that your hair is changing or you really getting the benefits from it. But when I washed it out, I did see like a difference. I felt that my hair, my curls, like I had some really nice curl definition. My hair was really, really soft. So I don't think that it's a bad deep conditioner at all. I really think that it's a pretty good deep conditioner. I think that it's very helpful as far as the vitamins, you know, that it says that they have in there. So I really think that it is a good one. Would I purchase it again? I don't know. I honestly don't know. I'm not like, no indeed, I'm not purchasing that again, but I'm also not running to the website to get it either. So if I'm on the website and I'm getting maybe the Mango Dip Detangling Slip, you know, then I might add that in there. But it really was not a bad deep conditioner at all whatsoever. I did notice that my hair felt really nice and it looked nice as soon as I washed the deep conditioner out. Like I had some really good curl definition and poppage, and if I can remember or find the picture, I want to say I took a picture of my hair after I washed it out. I will try to insert it so you all can see exactly what my hair looks like as soon as I washed it out. So next I have the Moroccan Silk Moisture Milk with argan oil and rice milk. So this is like a hair milk / leave-in conditioner. You can use it as or so use it daily or in damp hair. I don't remember if I talked about this one in my previous Soultanicals review or videos, but I just decided to throw it in this one because I did do, this is a twist out actually using all these products that I talk about today was what I did in my wash day routine, and this was the actual twist out that I did. So I use this as my leave-in conditioner. I do have another leave-in conditioner by Soultanicals, and that is the Frizz Whiz. Yeah, I want to say the Frizz Whiz leave-in conditioner, which I liked as well. That one worked really nice for me too. But that one is not like a creamy leave-in like this one is. This one is more creamy, milky kind of leave-in. I would not use this as like a regular hair milk. Just in my mind, my idea of a hair milk is just a little bit thicker kind of milk or creamy consistency. This is really, really thin. Even though it's creamy, it's just really thin. So I personally would not use this as a hair milk. As far as the moisture, I think it's just decent. You know, it didn't necessarily coat my hair as some other leave-in conditioners would that are of the creamier consistency. So I don't know, I don't think it was heavy enough as a creamy leave-in conditioner for me. So I don't know, it's not heavy enough for a leave-in, it's not heavy enough for a hair milk. It was just kind of like whatever. Like, I feel like I put it in my hair and I didn't really feel that, oh, it made my hair immediately softer or anything like that. Like, my hair feels pretty good today, to be honest with you. It doesn't feel bad, it doesn't feel dry or anything like that. It's just, I guess immediately it didn't feel, super, super soft or super creamy or anything like that. It's very liquidy. So I don't know. I don't think I would prefer this leave-in over the Frizz Whiz. I think I would prefer the other one over this one. So I'm going to finish using it, of course. Like, it wasn't bad, but I do prefer the other leave-in, the Frizz Whiz that I have, over this one. Like, this consistency is just not enough for me. Like, I feel like if it's going to be a creamy leave-in, I want it to be like really creamy. But this is like creamy and liquidy and thin at the same time. And like in the colder months, the like wintry months, fall months right now, like my hair needs that little extra thickness of moisture to where I'm putting it in, it's like taming everything. And I don't feel like this was actually doing that much. So that's kind of how I feel about this one. All right, so just two more products that I have, and then I'm done with this video. This one, see, is not going to be a super long one. So this is one of the hair creams. This is the Marula Muru Moisture Guru. This one, I think, smells like banana. Yeah, this one smells like banana. It smells delicious. It smells like a banana moon pie. So good. It smells good. And in my opinion, it smells better than it actually works. And this is just because this is what I've noticed my hair really needs. Like, this is a moisturizer, a hair cream. It's supposed to give a whole lot of moisture. It has marula oil, muru butter, and pracaxi oil. It has botanical ingredients like chamomile, calendula, nettle, and sage, organic aloe vera juice, vegetable glycerin, and some other stuff in here. Coconut oil, castor oil, B5, muru butter, flaxseed gel, so cocoa butter. It has a lot of good looking ingredients in here, but it's still really, really thin. For me to like a moisturizer to work really well on my hair, like, I would have to put the moisturizer on my hair and rub it in, and it would like start taming things. Like, it will start, laying the flyaways down and, really coats my hair. This didn't really do that. Like, it just kind of went on there. And like, now granted, this is day one with this twist out, so I don't know how long it's going to last. But the definition wasn't bad. Like I said, it feels soft. It does not feel dry at all. I sat under the dryer when I dried it. But as far as like just using this as a cream, a daily cream, a hair butter or whatever for my hair, moisturizer, I would prefer that it's a little thicker. Like, this just has a really thin, consistency for me. Thinner than I want it to be for my hair. Like, and if I put it on my hair, like, it didn't really tame anything. Like, it went on there, but I don't feel like it necessarily tamed a whole lot. So I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of it. I also have the Marula Melon Moisture Guru moisturizer. as well. Like I have both of them. They pretty much work the same way. So for me, I don't know, I've tried other moisturizers or creams or whatever that gave my hair a little bit more moisture, made my hair feel a little bit, you know, just more oomph, you know, that I don't feel that it gave to me. So I'm probably not going to repurchase any of those either. So that's that. Now the last thing that I have, this is the Clump and Curl Afro Vegan Styling Custard with olive, squalene, and castor oil. This is 8 ounces. This is supposed to really help with major clumping of your hair and curl definition. I didn't use this as a wash and go. As you can see, I did a twist out with it. So I used the hair milk as my leave-in. I used the Muru as like my cream, and I use this as a gel. I cannot do a twist out. I cannot do a wash and go without a gel. My hair needs a gel to really lock in the formation, lock in the definition, to really keep it in place. So otherwise it's just going to be a big puff and it ain't going to be cute. So I needed a gel. So this is a gel that I decided to try. This is the last gel that I have from Soultanicals. Yeah, that I have not tried yet. So I want to try this one. And you can tell that it does help to aid in your clumping and your curl definition. So it may actually work well with a wash and go. I didn't see any problems with this one doing the twist out. It was a different kind of consistency that I was looking for. I guess because this is a custard and it's not a gel. So in my mind, I was using it as a gel, you know, as like the topping off of my twist out. So I think that as a wash and go, like I said, it probably would come out pretty nicely. When I took my twist out this morning, I really had some nice definition. I'm not even gonna lie to you, like the definition was nice. And now I did separate my hair because I didn't want it to look too formy, but I did separate it, so I may have, you know, a little frizz, because honestly I am not the best at separating my hair without getting, you know, frizz. So that's just something that I personally need to work on. But when I took my hair out of the twist initially, I really had some good definition. So I think that this was really good compared with whatever I used. This was a good twist out. I'm not bashing this twist out at all. It was a successful twist out. I had really nice definition. My hair is soft. It smells really good too. Like it has a really, really good smell. I can still smell that Muru, like the banana scent. Like it smells really, really nice. This one doesn't really have a scent to me. I'm sorry, this does have a scent. It's a light scent. It's almost like the banana scent too. Almost, but not completely. But I think that this worked really well. I may prefer this one over some of their other styling gels that I have. So I think that, again, but this is a custard. But I think that it worked really, really well. Like I said, it gave me some really good definition. So overall, I think we're at what, two for three. So I like this one. I like the mango dip and the deep conditioner. The other ones I didn't like so much. So was that half and half? What are we? So that's how I feel about these products. Like I said, this twist out came out really good. I had good results with this. So some of the products I liked, some of them didn't, but overall it worked really well together and gave me some really good results. So I think this is probably, you know, I don't have any other like new products by Soultanicals that I have not talked about or reviewed yet. So I think I have gone through them all, at least used them once to talk about them. So that is where I stand on these products. If you have used them, comment below and let me know what worked for you. You know, I'm not here trying to bash Soultanicals, y'all. I'm not. It's just that some of their products work for me and a lot of them don't. I can only be honest and tell you what works for me in my hair. So that is it. I enjoyed chatting with you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.